Hi there, students. To disclose or to expose? Verbs. Exposure or disclosure? So, both of these mean to show something, to let everybody see something. But what's the difference? I think firstly, it's more common to use disclose for information. Whereas I think it's more common to use expose for something physical that you can see. So I took my hand away and exposed my face. Yeah, so I think firstly, expose is more that you can physically see it. But you can use both of these words for information and for something physical. I think firstly, if you disclose information, you give people information that's private, that you know about, and you let people know. Whereas I think you expose somebody else's secrets. So a reporter tries to expose scandals, but very often somebody will disclose information before it is exposed. So both of these are to show in public, but I disclose my private information, whereas somebody else exposes my private things about me. So a reporter tries to uncover information, and then he can expose it, show it to the public. Yeah, or he may choose not to disclose it and keep it private. Okay, so you see there we're getting to this edge between the two. I think so. There was plaster covering the wall, and I chipped off the plaster to expose the bricks behind. Okay, so to expose, to let something be seen. But as I took off the plaster, it slowly disclosed a hidden painting that I didn't know was there. So I think disclose has the idea of to show something that was hidden, particularly something personal when it's information. Whereas expose, yeah, is just to make so that everybody can see it. Yeah, to expose is to remove what is covering something so that it can be seen. I think also very often we use expose to make something discreditable known to the public, to reveal the guilt or the wrongdoing of a criminal or a politician. Yeah, you are exposing something in public for for everybody to see. So expose has the idea of it's in the open, whereas disclose has the idea of uncovering something that is secret. So I did not want the information to be exposed to the whole world because I was embarrassed about it. So I disclosed it. So to disclose, to make new information or secret information public. Whereas expose has the idea of show to everybody, reveal the truth about something. Yeah, so he was exposed as a liar. He was revealed. He was displayed. Yeah, whereas disclose, to make something hidden that you have hidden, are available for people to see. So I think that the idea of expose is in public, whereas the disclose has more an idea of uncovering something that is hidden. Let's see, to expose and to disclose. I think expose, I think I would give a 5 in formality. I think disclose maybe a 6, but I think you can use both of them anywhere. And then as to origin, disclose comes from Latin disclaudere, so claudere, to shut or to close, so to unclose, to open, yeah? Whereas expose, ponere, yeah, from Latin again, expono, to put out, to put forward. Yeah, and this is the idea. Exposing is putting it forward, whereas disclosing is uncovering. So I hope that's helped. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Disclose or expose?